Why should we, citizens of Delhi, face dengue and chikungunya if the Municipal Corporation of Delhi can't clear garbage in unauthorized colonies? Asks Delhi High Court while pulling up the Delhi government on the rampant regularization of unauthorized colonies, which is making it difficult for municipal corporations to clean up garbage and desilt stormwater. The Delhi High Court is hearing a PIL on the readiness of Delhi's municipal corporations to stop the spread of vector-borne diseases such as chikungunya, malaria and dengue. The court, in fact, has directed MCDs to take strict action against officers for failing to do their job. The final order is expected to come in tomorrow. Milan Sharma is live with me for more details. Milan, what are the details that you have at this point?
Well, the Delhi High Court has been listening to the PIL filed by the petitioners here on, stopping the spread of diseases like chikungunya and dengue and malaria in the national capital. Today, when the Delhi High Court acting Justice Geeta Mittal and C. Harishankar were listening to the status reports filed by the three commissioners or three municipal corporations, the North, South and the East, and they had also asked the Delhi government to have a representing lawyer along with the DDA. The municipal corporations were pulled up for not cleaning areas in Delhi, which led to a large pile-up of garbage in many areas and, mosquito breeding, which is one of the core issues that, the current PIL is listening to. It also includes the issue of solid waste management and garbage disposal and proper garbage disposal in many areas in Delhi. In fact, all three corporation commissioners were present in the hearing, and they have submitted status reports wherein photographs were shown to the High Court that the areas have been cleaned and certain drains that come under the municipal corporation have been desilted in preparation for the monsoon season that is due to hit the national capital in this week. Back to you.
Right. Milan, I want to come to specifically East Delhi because a while back the sanitation workers there went on strike, and we were told that it was a lack of funds from the municipal corporation.
Well, yes, the Delhi High Court has taken into note that around 15,000, Safai Karamcharis of the East Municipal Corporations had gone on strike, saying that they have not been paid for over 3 months. And apart from that, they had not even been paid wages and arrears, and they have no medical insurance schemes for them. All of these things which was promised by the new BJP government that is now heading the three municipal corporations in the national capital. And the court did take note of the fact that if these Safai Karamcharis are saying that they will strike for over 3 months, how does East Delhi Municipal Corporation plan to clean up the areas? The commissioner responded to that effect, saying that there are 15,000 Safai Karamcharis in the East Municipal Corporations, and although the Delhi government has been giving them funds from time to time, these funds are not sufficient, which is also what Justice Geeta Mittal noted, that although the funds are given to the Municipal Corporation of East Delhi, South and North Delhi, these funds seem to be insufficient to pay salaries of all those employees and Safai Karamcharis, malaria inspectors, etc. in the corporation. To which she has said that this is not how the municipal corporations will function, and she has said the Delhi government needs to plan out systematically how they are going to implement the fund distribution to each municipal corporations, and also to ensure that the Safai Karamcharis and the inspectors, the sanitation inspectors, are paid their wages in time. Back to you.
All right. Thanks for getting us all those details.